Do you want to create a poll on the Instagram group? You can make a voting poll in an Instagram chat conversation with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to create a poll on Instagram group. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To create a poll in an Instagram group chat, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are in your Instagram newsfeed, tap on the message icon in the top right corner to open your direct messages. Here, you will see all your individual and group chats. Scroll down and open the group chat where you want to create the voting poll. At the bottom of the group chat conversation, you will see the message input field. Now, find and tap on the plus icon on the right side of the message input field. This icon may be different depending on the device you are using. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, tap on Poll. Once you select it, a new screen will appear where you can add the poll question and answer options. Enter the question in the poll question box. After entering the question, add options one by one in the box below the options section. Once you have added both the question and answer options, tap on Create Poll at the bottom of the screen. After sending the poll, group members can vote, and you can view the results by tapping on the poll.